Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install apps from the App Store without payment method. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, what we have to do, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap date and time and disable set automatically. Now launch App Store and tap on profile icon in top right corner, then tap on your profile ID. On the next page, maybe here the touch ID, face ID or passcode required, then tap country and region. On the next page, we are going to tap again change country or region. Now we are going to select the United States. After selecting the United States, and on next page we are going to tap on agree in top right corner, agree and agree again in top right corner. Now we are going to select none and fill this required billing address. You can put any name here and select city California. And also select the state California. After selecting California, the most important thing, the zip code, you can find on Google. I'm going to put California zip code 90011 and put any fake number. Now tap next. Try again. Now minimize this window, launch settings, enable set automatically, go back to the same page and try again. Now tap done. That's it. Now force close all the app that are running in the background and wait for a few seconds, then launch App Store and download your favorite app without payment method. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.